So the homeowner had a repairman come over yesterday, and he got to the shower and he said, I cannot replace this valve because the guy who made the shower didn't make enough room. And I'm just a plumber. How could I possibly cut a hole in this tile? What would I do? So, me being the non-plumber, I brought a tile saw, a hole saw, and a oscillating tool with a diamond blade. And with those three tools, I think we'll be able to find these 4 screws and pull this out, twist it on. But we gotta first measure it out and see where we're gonna cut. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is there's 4 screws. We're gonna drill out the 4 corners that we need to cut it to, and then we're going to connect it with the tile saw. Okay, I drilled 4 holes. It should be at the 4 corners so that I can twist this thing out. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a straight line here and here and here and here. We were gonna use the tile saw first, but I think I might try this little oscillator tool and just try and connect the dots and see how long it takes. If it's not too long, then we'll use it. Otherwise, we'll go back and we'll just use that. I just didn't want to mess up the wall if I didn't have to. I mean, in case of emergency. You never know. So. That was going a little too slow, so we're gonna hit it with this. See how it goes. Okay, the dust has settled and we shut off the water. So what we're gonna try and do here is remove these 4 screws and see if it comes out of the wall. We removed the 4 screws and it should slide out if we're lucky. I might need to use some force, because it looks like these guys are sort of pushed in from the side. I don't know how that works, but we got to get it around that. Okay, I got it back in there. The only thing is, I guessed that this is the top, but I'm not sure if it's the top because I couldn't tell from the old one. So I have a 50-50 chance that I got it back in. When you're tightening these, you'll feel it bottoms out. You don't have to go any tighter than that. It's not like a hard thing. Okay, so it looks like we guessed right on the part. So what was happening was this was dripping, and I found out that that thing had a crack in it, and that's why it was probably doing that. I'm guessing that, so originally it was set up, if you look right here, there's a stain from the water. It used to be set up so when it was off, it was sitting to the left. And I feel that because when people shut it off, they push it really hard. When it's on an angle here, that's probably what broke it, because they're pushing down every time.